Hey guys, I am Mangalam and welcome to Macotech. Today we are going to discuss about the newly launched course by ARM, the ARM Cortex A78. Now before getting started, if you want to know more about the ARM course, you can click on the card above. So let's get started. Starting from the ARM Cortex A78, so the ARM Cortex A78 is going to be the new high performance core powering the flagship processor of the next year. But how it is improved over the ARM Cortex A78 cores. So the ARM A78 cores are designed to give you performance boost of about 20% over the A77 cores. Not only you will get the performance boost, but you will also get it for longer time. So majorly this time ARM has focused over the efficiency of the cores. Now we know that the processor next year will be fabricated using 5nm FinFET technology. So this will automatically bump up the efficiency of the cores by reducing the area. This means that you can get up to 50% of power saving as compared to A77 core at same performance. Now 50% power saving is really great. This means that the battery life will be excellent on the CPUs based on A78 cores. And then there will be very less heating on prolonged gaming or using any heavy duty app. Overall your phone will be cooler. Now according to the ARM lab results, A78 can achieve up to 3.0 GHz as compared to 2.6 GHz of A77 at the rate of 1 watt per core. Now this is seriously impressive. Have you ever imagined 3 or 4 years back that mobile CPU can reach up to 3.0 GHz speed and also for longer time? For example, my laptop's Intel Core i7 CPU also have a speed of 3 GHz. Yeah, both CPU are not comparable, but you have to believe that the mobile CPUs are getting pretty stronger and efficient year by year. Now the ARM Cortex A78 cores is also efficient for machine learning based tasks. It consumes 8% less power on average for ML based tasks, leading to 10% efficiency improvement overall. Now the overall architecture of ARM Cortex A78 is same as the ARM Cortex A77 and A76, but there is some changes in the microarchitecture feature that allowed the performance boost while saving the area and power. This microarchitecture improvement enables a 7% increase in single thread performance over the ARM Cortex A77. There is also an improvement in branch prediction structures. Now another thing that ARM claims that they have achieved a higher efficiency by reducing structures that have low performance and area, such as on the L1I and L1D cache. So they have been reduced from 64 KB in A77 and A76 to 32 KB in A78. Now I don't know if this will have bad effect on performance or not, but I guess we have to wait for the implementation of this CPU to see the effect. Now at the end, ARM is emphasizing on two major applications of this performance boost. First, the change of form factor. Like the folding phone where the screen sizes are getting larger and have limited space for SoC, and they need more computational power than the previous form factors. Second area is the 5G. Now according to the ARM, there will be 1 billion 5G enabled smartphones at the end of 2022. So 5G enabled smartphones need higher CPU capabilities, where on the other hand they need to be efficient as 5G modems consumes a lot more power. So ARM Cortex A78 cores can have a use case here. So that is all guys for the ARM Cortex A78. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching. Peace.